Good day, welcome to another video, and for today's lesson, I will be discussing on ethical principles and guidelines for researchers. I have prepared 5 here, and number 1 is informed consent. The participants must be fully informed about the nature of research, its purposes, and potential risks and benefits. We shouldn't conduct a research without informing our participants or our respondents on what is our research all about, what its purpose, and what are the benefits and the potential risks that might happen if they join in our research. Number 2 is beneficence and non-maleficence. This is a fundamental ethical principle in research, which means to do good and to do no harm to study participants. Anyway, we study research to solve problems, to do good and not to do harm to other people. All right. The next is we also have here respect for human dignity. The rights of the study participants must be well protected and respected. Don't forget that. The rights of the participants must be protected and respected. Number 4, justice and fairness. Study participants deserve fair and equitable treatment before, during, and after the study period. Alright? All respondents, all participants must be treated fair and equitable before, during, and after the research. The researcher should provide equal chances in the selection process, must comply with agreements in regards to procedures, techniques, or benefits due to participants. Alright? So, to give justice, we must comply with all the agreements, no? In regards to the procedure, techniques, the benefits, the potential risks, all of these must be discussed with your participants. Okay? They should deserve the fair and equitable treatment. Number 5 is intellectual honesty and respect. This is very important, no? To give acknowledgement, recognition, or due respect to the original previous work of art, no? We can always replicate a study. It is not bad as long as we give justice to the previous author or to the previous researcher who conducted the research first. Anyway, the research are researchable. That's why research to research to re-study. Alright? Why we replicate a study? Number 1 is to check and balance if their study is still applicable at this time, or if their study is have the same result with us or have a different result with our present study. There are so many reasons why we reconduct their studies, but the most important is we must be honest and respect their work, no? And you know what? There's no harm in mentioning the previous author. In fact, it gives weight to our present study. It gives weight. It gives something that this study is significant because there are previous researchers who already conducted research about this before, and now you are studying now in your location. That's why it is very important to become honest, and we give acknowledgement and respect to the previous author who conducted that research before. All right, so I hope you've learned something today from these 5 ethical principles and guidelines in research. Number 1 is informed consent. Number 2 is beneficence and non-maleficence. And number 3, we should give respect for human dignity, for justice and fairness. And number 5, intellectual honesty and respect. Okay, we should not forget to inform our respondents or participants, and also to inform our readers what had happened before from the previous researchers, from the previous authors. We should not claim something that we do not have it or originally by ourselves. All right. I hope you learned something today. That's all, and I see you on my next video.